Question number 12. Other than fundamental rights, which of the following parts of the Constitution of India reflects the principles and provisions of Universal Declaration of Human Rights? Now, we had heard about Universal Declaration of Human Rights, but in general, we do not remember or gone through the provisions of Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So, ನಮಗೆ exactly ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು think ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. See, Universal Declaration. Universal Declaration in the sense, they would have taken a broad set of variety of rights. So, it would have included the right to speech, the right to self-development, right against atrocities, right to press, right against atrocities, right to safe environment. So, Universal Declaration of Human Rights means these are basic rights which anyone should have. So, there would have been a bundle of rights that would have mentioned under this thing. So, adana nam mind alli itkondidre how is that we could have solved? See, Preamble provides for liberty. So, idu iro chances ittu. Idu one thing mind ge bandru, liberty, equality, this is what it would have provided for. DPSP li kuda ide about the gender rights, equal pay for both men and women, healthy development of children, to take care of health, to provide for healthy provisions of those working in industries. This sort of provisions ide. Fundamental duties al kuda to not to engage in practices which are derogatory to women. These provisions are there in fundamental duties also. So, ee tara think ಮಾಡಿ broad perspective ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ then we could have easily answered it as 1, 2, 3. So, ee tara broad questions ಬಂದಾಗ take the most broadest perspective that you can think of. We'll move ahead. See, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, like I said, right to life, right to liberty, right to security of persons, right from torture and cruel treatment, freedom of thought, conscience, freedom of opinion, expression. So, broadly, most of the rights which are needed for a person, for a healthy lifestyle, for personal development, that is being included in this. Right to free elections and all sort of things. So, in such things, even if we do not know the exact thing, we could have answered by taking the broader meaning.